Wait, today, what date is today? 30th, right? Yeah, 30th July 2024. Here is Mr. Singh will tell us about the history of this place. Okay, go ahead.
This place is a Patrika Gate. Patrika Gate is a meaning of newspaper.
You have to talk loudly.
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Patrika is the meaning. They have own trust money, so they made out this kind of thing.
Oh, they have.
It's free of cost, no charge for here.
Oh yeah. Wow, this is very beautiful. It's so beautiful. Do you know what year this place was built? Do you know what year this place was built?
Built on 2012.
2012, that's all? Not too long then.